Okay, if you make good mashed potatoes, you will have superstar status with the men and the boys at your table for sure. It's one way to be crowned an excellent cook. So when we heard the promise of real mashed potatoes in under 10 minutes, that certainly caught our attention. Cooking instructor Stacy Springer is sharing the secrets to her favorite side dish. And I've heard a rumor rumbling around the studio that you say with this recipe, no gravy needed.
Shut the front door.
What? What? What's the secret? What's the secret here?
You don't need that. Okay. The secret of the pressure cooker.
Is that what we're doing?
Infusing flavor. Yeah, we're gonna do this in the pressure cooker. I don't know if you have one.
No, I don't think I do.
All right, get ready to forgive yourself.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Because this is just only if you value time, flavor, and money.
Okay. Oh, well, you know, just a few those
things. I'm here to educate you on this amazing item.
Why are people so scared of the pressure cooker?
Okay, we hear those stories, like exploded, grandma, you know, oh. No, grandma's good. But it used to be a little bit more unsafe. Now they have 3 locking mechanisms. Okay, so we have a lock here, lock here, lock here. You cannot make it explode. Okay. Now, if you get a newer version, now if you're using the one from 20, 30 years ago,
there could still be some inherent risks.
I would look into a newer one. Okay. So this one is a stovetop version, which makes cooking a third of the time that it used to be. Okay. And then the electric ones, which are great too, they're half the time of the cooking. So they're still pretty great.
Any special prep on the potatoes part before we throw them in and start cranking up the heat?
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Okay, I'm ready.
That's it. They're in. We washed them. Okay. Because they had earth on them.
I blinked and I missed it.
I know. Whoa.
So we washed off Mother Earth and then just put them in the pot?
So these ones are new potatoes, so I'm leaving the skins on. If you're going to do a russet, I would peel them. Okay. And I combine them. In fact, that's the recipe.
You mix?
Yeah, I mix them because they have different textures to them. Just makes them beautiful. There's not a wrong answer. Okay. All right. Hit me with some 2 cups of water. That's all we need.
Really?
Yes.
Are we sure?
So these are green. Also, we're using less energy, less water. They're fantastic, okay? We got some garlic. We're gonna put in my 3 cloves of garlic. And then our herbs. Do you know which one's which?
No.
Do you wanna smell them? Oh my gosh, that's thyme. Thyme, In the pot, rosemary.
Rosemary.
Okay, beautiful. We're just gonna throw this in. They're potatoes, so they need some help. With some salt.
A little leaven in the form of seasoning.
Leaven. This is kosher salt, to be clear, so you're not like, oh my gosh, there's so much. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna lock. Lock and load.
Look at me back up.
I know.
Go, Stacy, go.
This is therapy today. And on, and then we're gonna just turn on our heat to high, and it's gonna go.
For how long?
Okay, so every pressure cooker has an indicator of when the pressure gets high enough. Okay, biology lesson, is that right? How high is boiling water? Do you remember?
Don't.
Oh, no, okay, I'm sorry.
Pregnancy brain,
I know,
TV,
that's
pressure.
fair. Okay, we'll say 212.
Pressure, 212,
Okay, in here it gets to 250 and keeps it in, so that's why it cooks so quickly.
Okay.
Okay, and then this indicator will pop up. That's when you start your time.
When the indicator pops?
Pops. So this one is going to pop up. That means the pressure's high enough. They're all a little bit different.
Oh, gotcha. And then start counting.
Then do your time. So 8 minutes these are going to be done.
8 minutes?
I know.
To creamy, dreamy potatoes.
Yes.
No gravy necessary.
I know. Okay, so we've done our 8 minutes.
Yes.
This is the magic of TV,
How many
right?
pressure cookers do you own, lady?
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
Like 8.
You really do?
Yes, and you know what? My daughter, who's 12, will pull it out and use it, and she'll make dinner.
You own 8 pressure cookers?
I know.
Wow.
I'm kind of not ashamed, actually.
Collector. No, you shouldn't
proud
be.
of that.
Own it.
Okay.
Wow.
So here is our, okay, so we've mashed. I've added some cream in. Okay, I'm going to let you reveal our secret ingredient.
Right here? This is the big reveal?
Are you ready?
I wish we had a drum roll, but we don't, so I'll just say... Grey Poupon?
Serious.
What?
I know.
What?
Okay, so we're going to take a little scoopy scoop.
Okay.
Okay.
That was good dramatic.
Thank you.
Reveal. I like that a lot.
You know what? Makes it fun. Okay, a couple tablespoons. I already put some in there.
And how did you mash those guys? A hand tool or an electric?
Yeah, just a hand masher. Okay, electric. I'm going to give away so many secrets here, but they can make your potatoes tough.
I've heard that.
Yeah. So you know stuff.
Well,
you pretend like you don't know stuff. You know stuff. Okay.
I'm never the assigned potato maker at the big family events, really. So
well, now.
But now I could be.
Would you like to partake?
Stole one of my friend's pressure cookers over here. May I?
That is your Christmas gift.
Okay.
It might be warm.
It could be.
Okay. This is why you don't have to have the gravy. All that fat.
Oh, Stacey, those are good.
I know.
Those are really good.
You're welcome.
And you taste the potato.
You taste the potato, and that's what's great. You lose only 5 to 10% of your nutrients when you cook with these.
I'm sold.
Okay.
I am sold. Pressure cooker, potatoes, no gravy, maybe just dripping on the side for the turkey or something like that.
If you need it, that's fine. It's not. You're not a bad person.
Hey, Stacy's the best, and she's proved her skills here in our kitchen, and you help people at home get better at their cooking as well.
Yes, that is my passion, is to make cooking simple, and so people are cooking again.
Yeah.
And so I have a pressure cooker class coming up Saturday.
Oh, nice.
The in-house one is full, but I'm offering an online live session, so they can do a Q&A during our class.
Nice.
So when you register online, then you'll get all the recipes, and you're here with us cooking, or you can like do it at home in your whatever you want to wear.
And this class proves you got to get on her class list early because they do fill up fast.
It's true.
You're talented. Thank you so much for the recipe. We appreciate it.